Do you know how the factory mass produces sausages? These are the raw materials for the production of sausages, mainly a mixture of chicken and pork, and most of the meat even comes from animals that are too sick. In order to facilitate the next processing and production, first pour them into a meat grinder, grind them into such minced meat, then add starch and seasonings in an appropriate proportion. Pour water into them, and use a mixer to mix and stir. In order to meet the national food production standards, it is also necessary to add some corn syrup to it and mix it to form a paste similar to that. On the other side, workers start putting long garments into automatic filling machines. The long clothing used here is an edible fresh-keeping magic roll. The purpose is to make the sausage less likely to deteriorate in a short time. The filling machine then puts a certain amount of the mixture into each section of long coat, making about 10 sausages in about 35 seconds. These sausages are then linked together, arranged and hung on a machine, which sends them to a washing machine for a wash. And under the rinse of a sprinkler, any remaining stains on the surface are removed. They are then sent to the oven in the cooking zone for steaming, where their own flavor is enhanced. Finally, after cutting them into single sections by machine, these sausages will be sold on the market. Therefore, although the sausage is delicious, it is recommended that you eat less or not eat it, because you don't know what